What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so y'all, I know I've been slacking like OD. I'm sorry, I had to fix my wig. I know I've been slacking OD with the videos, but y'all, it's because I don't have a camera, and like I told you guys this, and I don't know why I just did that. But I hate recording off of my phone because it's not hard, but it's hard because like I'm used to just having a camera. My phone, people keep calling me, people keep texting me. It's gonna stop because God forbid I don't have no space, nothing. So how do I fix this? This is too, okay, I don't know, why is it looking like that? Okay, whatever. But so honestly, I'm about to be back to back with the hair videos. I'm about to be back to back with the hair videos right now, and honestly guys, just look out for some new videos. I won't be doing hair videos back to back, but I still will be doing hair videos, but they just won't be back to back. They're gonna be mixed in or whatever. So you might see this shirt in a couple videos because yeah, I gotta get these hair videos out. So we're gonna be starting with, this hair is not, the name is not on the box, but okay, the name is not on the box, but I know this is 22 inches. Inches, baby, stop playing with me. It's 22 inches. It's a 13x4 natural color water wave wig. This is water wave. Why did I get water wave again? And y'all, another thing I just want to say, because I want companies to hear this, so I won't have to repeat myself in my emails, I am no longer, no, I can't say it like that. Okay, y'all, so for now, I'm going to be doing 613 and only colored hair reviews, because black is nothing to do with, it's nothing you can do with black hair. And honestly, I'm not a boring girl, so it's like I don't like black hair, and I have too much black hair, y'all, and it's like they're the same pattern, and it's like there's nothing you can do with it, because when I do bleach it how I want to bleach it, it doesn't come out that way. So I'm not going to be doing no more natural color reviews like that, because like I said, I have too much wigs. All my wigs are starting to double and triple and all that, and I don't have time, because that's annoying. What's the point of wigs if they all look the same? You feel me? So so this batch right here that I'm about to review, all of this stuff, this is gonna be the last time I'm doing natural color hair. But this is a water wave 22 inches wig. This looks like for a big head. But y'all, hold on. First things first. Wow. You guys know how I've been complaining about frontals? Like how, you know how companies, I wish I can show you guys. I don't have any wigs right now, open wigs. But you know how companies, if you ever order a wig, and you know how companies don't give you this whole thing, they only give you like this much of the frontal on a wig. Yeah, this is my first time getting a frontal wig, and I actually have frontal space. You feel me? Like, I don't be having frontal space. It'd be like a little bit, and it stops like this on the side. So I'm like, what's the point of calling this a frontal wig if it's like a closure? But Tinashe hair, okay, they saved the day. They gave me a full frontal wig, and I'm jacking it. The hair doesn't smell like anything. I had to smell it real quick. But yes, this is 22 inches water wave. This is the same exact thing I have on right now. Yeah, that's the crazy part. It's the same thing I have on right now. But I may be doing highlights in this hair just to change it up, because I don't have a wig that have highlights, and I've been seeing a lot of curly hair highlights, and I actually like it. So I'm gonna be doing curly hair highlights in this hair. It feels soft. I haven't got any shedding yet. I cannot wait to wear her, because I am going to be doing colored highlights, and I can't wait to do color highlights. But plucking is good. They give you baby hairs and all that good stuff. But of course, you guys know I'm going to go in and do my extra plucking. But yeah, y'all, I'm really feeling this hair. I really love the fact that they gave me a frontal worth space, because like I said, I be getting like a little, I wish I could show you guys. I want to compare it. I'm going to go find the wig somewhere. Hold on. Okay, so this is a perfect example right here. So you know how this is a frontal, right? This is a frontal they did. And you see how, sorry, it got, it's an old wig, clearly. It got glue and everything on it. But you see how, like, they don't give you enough space on the sides and the front? Look at this frontal. And this was a 13 by 4 too, y'all. This is a 13 by 4. But look at this 13 by 4 compared to this 13 by 4. I know you guys see that difference. Like, so this company cheesed me, dog. And I don't even know what company this is. But, no, I do know company. I just don't remember. So, guys, like I said, if you go ahead and order Tinashe here, you will be getting your frontals worth. You feel me? Because, like I said, companies be cheesing us. I just realized that. Well, I didn't just realize that, but I just thought that's how they make their wigs until I just received this one and I realized, oh no, they don't make it like that. I like how Tinashe gave me my frontals worth, 13 by 4 frontal. But yeah, I cannot wait to put this on. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing highlights. I will not be recording that. Will I be recording me installing this hair? Honestly, I don't know. I don't know, because like I said, I want to like dim down on the hair videos right now. Because I feel like you guys are getting bored. And it's okay if you guys are getting bored, because I'm getting bored too. But let me look on my laptop, because I don't have, what you call it? My laptop was just on. I don't know what this crap is on. I can't look on my phone. It was just on. I don't know why it turned off. It's hot in here. This light is making me hot. I'm trying to rush. I'm so upset at the fact that I cannot record off my camera right now. Like, this is so annoying. I have to wait for all of this. I have to look for the email. I have to go to Google and type it in. If I was on my phone, y'all, I could have just pulled it up in 2.5 seconds. The video could have been design. Y'all heard that? Design. Okay, so let me go. And this is my first time working with Tinashe here. I actually heard about them before and I heard good things. But this is my first time actually like getting my hands on some hair. Oh, all right. So this is a 22 frontal water wave wig, 250 density, y'all. I've never got that. I've never got that before, y'all. 250 density. That's about to be hot. All right, that we're gonna have to wait after summer, because honestly, summer I planned on rocking my real hair, because y'all, I don't got time right now with this wig. It's too hot. It is too hot. So yeah, that's all I had to say about the hair. But okay, so that's it for this video. This is Tinashe hair, water wave, 22 inches, 250 density. And yeah, so if you guys are looking to purchase this hair, which I would recommend, because you get your frontal worth. Like, you actually get frontal space in the beginning of a wig. And with most wigs that you order from companies now, you usually don't. But I would say Tinashe is worth it, y'all. All the hair details will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends and family, y'all. And I will see you guys in the next video. On the road to 36K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. Later.
You are packing the air, this gas or what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas ain't gas him up. Give my shorty stimulus and guns, I tell them slap for nothing.